Gun deaths are going up in Tennessee, far exceeding the national average. As News Channel 5's Kyle Horan learned, the statistics show an increase in suicides, which is having a big impact.
Have grown up around guns, may have been taught gun safety.
What happened was so jarring.
The number of deaths,
For Beth Jocelyn Roth,
just the homicide number.
it started this journey.
Reducing gun violence in America.
The policy director of Safe Tennessee Project,
This is how I got into gun violence prevention.
she knew she had to do something.
It was Christmas Eve and my daughter had slipped this letter underneath the cookies for Santa.
After the tragic school shooting at Sandy Hook.
I saw that letter and I pulled it out, and the letter says, "Dear Santa, please take some of my toys to the boys and girls in Connecticut." I wish the gunman had thought how sad the mommies and daddies would be seeing presents under the tree that no one will ever open. And that was really a wake-up call for me.
Since that day, Jocelyn Roth has been compiling data.
So this is the Tennessee firearm mortality rates compared with U.S. averages.
It shows gun deaths across the board are higher in Tennessee than the national average. And this alarming statistic,
Young people in Tennessee using a gun to kill themselves have really spiked.
the suicide rate involving guns has doubled in just 10 years.
The U.S. average has sort of begun to level out over the last couple of years. The same is not true in Tennessee, where we've actually seen our firearm homicide rates go up.
She says the spike in child deaths is alarming.
You very rarely survive a firearm suicide. The same is not true of other means, pills or cutting yourself.
And the exact cause is not easy to pin down.
The shooter was not supposed to have guns.
But she has theories.
Unfortunately, gun violence is a very complicated issue. I would say that our lax gun laws have something to do with it over the last 10 years.
Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.
According to the CDC's data, Tennessee is the 11th state in the country for firearm deaths.